big fish. Ah! Come on. Whoa. Hartman Adventures at them, man. It's been a minute since I've been to this spot. Don't remember the last time I've fished here. Place looks a lot different now than it used to be. You can see them actually did start set up some type of a beach up here, so cut away the bushes that were there. Don't see any bait in this part of the water, but there's a lot of bait around the other side. Whew. And I'm late today again. Very, very late. Not going to spend all day here still, so see if I can make a few casts, see what I can find, and if anything, shift to a different spot. Ooh. Right, welcome back to you guys, all of you. Welcome back to Hartman Adventures. Yeah man, if this is your first time watching Hartman Adventures, welcome to you. Yeah man, I hope you are enjoying the content so far. And if you don't mind, yeah man, just subscribe to the channel. Give the video a like, share the video on the social platforms as well. Yeah man, that helps the channel to grow, you know. That does help the channel to grow. Yeah man, and to everybody else who have been here with me on the journey from long time, big up on yourself. Welcome back to you guys. Yeah man, enough love and thanks again for supporting the channel continuously. Yeah man, I know it's been a little while now since you guys got content or got videos consistently, but yeah, I've been working on them. So don't worry, you guys will start getting content, start getting regular videos pretty soon again. So yeah man, big up on yourself. Thanks again for supporting as always. Thanks for showing the love. And to those of you who reach out to me for ask, yo, what's up, I'm not seeing you, I'm not hearing anything, not seeing any videos. Yeah man, big up on yourself. Enough love. Look at that bait, look at that bait. Look at the action. Really nice action on this bait. Lot of side to side darting action. Look at it. Nice side to side darting action. See if any snook around the edge of it. Lure is foul. It's been a long time since I've done any fishing down in this spot, so not even sure what the bite is like down here right now. Good cast, right up under the tree. Give it a nice slow retrieve. See if I can get anything to come up and strike it. This was one of my favorite fishing spots back in the day. Really enjoyed fishing down here. Yeah man, this was one of my favorite fishing spots, but yeah, for different reasons that I don't want to get into right now, it's not as fun to fish down here. So that's why you haven't been seeing a lot of videos from this spot anymore. But I was driving past and I decided to just stop and give it a try, you know. First time you used to see a lot of tarpons down here rolling on the surface. Don't see them down here anymore. Don't see them rolling down here on the surface anymore. This is the spot that I've hooked the biggest shark. Twice. For one day I hooked up 2 sharks. A very big one and a really small one. Not small, medium sized shark. Both of them cut me off and get records. Wasn't set up for shark fishing. Don't do shark fishing either. So both of them get away. Alright, I just switch off the lure real quick. See if I can try a different lure and see if anything will strike. Alright guys, so just switched off the lure. Caught a small Sierra mackerel. Really small one, but caught this small Sierra mackerel. I switched off the lure. I was basically just testing it right along to see how it swims, because this is my first time using this lure. Alright, relax. You have to be extremely careful with these guys because they have razor sharp teeth. Razor sharp teeth. See if I can release him quickly. try revive him. I didn't even take you out of the water for 2 seconds. He's not swimming, guys. Not swimming. Oh, there he is. Swimming now. Swimming. There he is. He's swimming now. Make sure I say him fully revived before me release him. Nice little mackerel. There he is, swimming good now. So try see if I can take him off and release him quickly. So you guys just stick around. He was hooked real good, guys, so by the time I got the hook out of him, he was still a little bit droopy, so try see if I can revive him properly before I release him. He was hooked real good. He got all 6 hooks in him. One of his fins is damaged as well, so I don't want to release him until I see that he's swimming pretty strong. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on, buddy. This is my second time catching a mackerel here. Oh man. Come on. Oh, let me bring him down there, so. Come on, buddy. It's really, really small. Come on. That was the first time using that lure. I didn't even really cast it out. I just dropped it at the side of the jetty, and I was just test swimming it because I wanted to see how it swim, and then pick it up. Really wasn't expecting him to be at the, or anything at all to be at the side of the jetty. He's kicking, but the kicks are really weak, so give him a couple push, get some water flowing over his gills. Yeah, the kicks are getting a bit stronger now, so hopefully I'm able to swim off. I was saying one of his fin is kind of damaged because he got hooked right underneath the fin. Come on, buddy. I don't think he's gonna make it, guys. Really don't think he's gonna make it. He's kicking, but the kicks are extremely weak. Oh man. Oh. Alright. Doubt he's gonna make it. He's not making it, guys, so Sure. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so I tried my best to revive him, but it just wouldn't, it couldn't come back to life strong enough. So unfortunately that one succumbed. It was hooked really good, man. It was hooked underneath his fin, underneath his front fin, and also it got hooked in his mouth. And as I said, I just took the lure out of the packaging. This is my first time using it, so the hooks are extremely sharp, so they got embedded in him pretty deep. So oh boy, that's unfortunate, man. Usually when I catch undersized fish, I like to release them, you know, cause that's how you keep the population healthy, you know. That is how you keep the population healthy. Heard a message come in on my phone. It's a good thing I heard it, cause don't know how it didn't fall out of my pocket in the water a while ago when I was stooping down. I didn't remember my phone was in my pocket. Alright, let's see if any snooks around the place. This lure swims really nice, but it doesn't cast very far. At least doesn't cast far on this rod. Maybe if I had my other rod, it would have cast a bit further, but it does swim very good. That's where it fall. That's me casting it out as far as I can get it. So basically when I got the hook up from that fish, all I was doing was just basically doing this just to see how the lure swim, and him just attack it. So I didn't have the camera on or anything, because I was just checking to see how the lure swim. This is my last cast in this spot, guys. So I've been casting for a bit now, not getting any more hits or any chase. So I'm gonna pack up and shift to a different spot. Looks like we're gonna get some early rain today, so pack up and go check out a couple more spots before rain start. Whew. Sun is red hot. I haven't done midday fishing like this in a long time, and you guys haven't seen me fish this ledge in an even longer time. Wow, it's flat, not much current. I see a diver, one diver, probably see another buoy, so looks like two divers. But I've traveled way too far not to give it a try. I haven't been this side in a long time, so let's see what we're going to find today. Alright, just stick around. Divers are a good distance out still, so hopefully something is on the inside. Big fish!
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Big fish! Big fish!
Something ain't right.
Come on! Big fish! That was a nice hookup. Nice jack.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Wow. He hit a lot heavier than he looks. Very nice barjack. It's a small barjack, but trust me, that hit was really good, man. Look at that. Look at that. There's Zori Hydra monster shot. That's the first fish, first catch on it. He absolutely hit it on the surface. Wow, that's not bad. Look at that, guys. Whoa. Alright, let's try bleed him out. Try to bleed him out and then get casting again. That was a nice hit, man. Let's just get in the other fish. Carded. And I turned around and saw a lot of bait. Just right out here in front of me. Look right there, look right there. Something is pushing them up to the surface. I cast past them and then try to reel it back in. Something is out there pushing the baits up to the surface. Might be the jacks, it might be something else pushing them up, but something drove them up to the surface a while ago. We can I haven't seen any barracudas since I've been here, probably because the diver them did in our area. Normally when I come here I see a couple barracuda, one or two. Sometimes them will hit, sometimes them just follow the lure and they don't hit it, but I haven't seen any today. Not a single one. Just allowing the lure to sink again. Ah, come here. That's a long jaw. Small long jaw. Just catch and release him. Ooh, putting on a show for you guys. Oh man, these guys are so erratic when you catch them, man. Look at that. Mad fish them. There he is. Look at him. Whoa. I don't even think he's gonna live because the lure puncture him head. I think he's gonna die. But he's way too small. Way too small to keep. This lure went directly into his skull. Highly doubt he's gonna live, but let's see if he's gonna swim away. Well, he swam off. Check out how beautiful this cove is. Absolutely stunning. Very beautiful cove. I've actually never come around to this side. I've never come all the way around to this side. Ooh, what was that? Haha. Another mad little long jaw. This one is tiny. Alright, relax, don't bite me. Relax. He's trying his best to bite me. I'm gonna let you go, buddy. Relax. Go on about your business. This cove is sick. Go clean that water is over there. Water is stunning. Wow. I've really never come all the way around here. That's someone's backyard. Just look at that. Wow. Imagine having this in your backyard. This is beautiful. Crystal clear water. I left all my other stuff around the other side. My phone, car key, everything. So I'm not gonna stay around here too long because I can't see them. Next thing some troublemaker just pull up and nobody go ask no questions. Not gonna stay around here for too long. Let's go back on the other side where I can see my stuff. These rocks are so tricky to stand on. Whoa. Rocks come like them want cut my shoes, man. Gonna have to take a 5, go get some water to drink, and then start casting again. Haven't had a lot of water today. It's been a long day, it's been a hot day. So I haven't had a lot of water. I had one small bottle of water. That was pretty much it. Alright. That's it. I'm gonna go get some water. Take a 5 minutes. And then start casting again. I'm gonna cast, go in the other direction. Come on. Just have a little 5 minutes with you guys before I go back to cast. So whenever you guys go out fishing, especially for those who are just getting into fishing, if you feel exhausted, if you're feeling tired, if you're feeling dehydrated, take a break and go get yourself rehydrated, get yourself cool down and stuff like that, especially when the time hot, and especially when you're fishing alone. Fishing around ledges or anywhere like that, any type of fishing can be dangerous, but especially when you're on ledges, when you're dehydrated, when you're tired, when you're exhausted, you can easily lose your balance, fall over the ledge, or you can fall back on the rocks. So go get yourself hydrated, take a break, take a 5 cool down, and then start again, especially when you're fishing alone. So yeah, just got myself some more water. This is my last bottle of water. I only brought 2 bottles of water today. Didn't really plan to stay this long, but yeah, gonna start casting again shortly. The sun kinda gone in now because it's very overcast. So yeah, feel a little bit relaxed now. So yeah man, I will get some more lures in the water. So yeah, catch you back on the lures. Just getting the first sections or the first spots of the evening current. It's not pushing hard as yet, but let's see if anything is gonna be in it. Don't know if anything is gonna be in this current. It's barely pushing. Fine. Sun is back out. Alright, I'm gonna have to leave and go get some water and come back. Maybe by the time I get back the current might be pushing a bit harder. So let's see if I can get some water, come back around here and see what I can find. Or we might just stop at the ledge further around the other side. At the other point I did want to go. I might stop down there instead. But I have to go get some water because the sun is back out. It's no longer as cool. And I'm sure I'm gonna get very thirsty pretty soon again. Right. Fishing the next point. Current is moving a little bit more over on this side more than around the other side. Have just a little bit more movement around here. Ah, long jaw. Look how I took him up. Oh man, he's biting my leader. Alright, relax, relax. Oh, I'm gonna go hold him now. Look at that. Relax, relax, relax. Don't shake this thing in my hand and don't bite me. Whoa. He's trying his best to bite me. Alright, I can't hold him by his head because he will bite me, and then I don't want him to shake the lure in my hand. There you go. Nice fish. Nice fish. Whoa, that's a nice fish. I have no idea what it is though. Come up. Whoa, there's a ledge there. There's a rock. There's a rock. Oh, that's a nice jack. Is it a jack or a barra? Oh! Oh! That was a mackerel. That was a big zero mackerel, man. Oh, how close was that, man? Oh, come on. Oh, oh. it was right here, man. Oh. Look at my leader, look what it did. What it did to the wire leader. Jesus, man. He was right there. I just needed to get him over the stone. That's all I needed to do, just get him over the stone. Oh man. Oh, I'm gonna need to go back to the car because I need to tie a different leader, because as you guys can see, this one can't straighten out. Right, I have a new leader tie up. Nice little piece of wire. New 20-pound leader. Monofilament. So just to attach it to the braid now and then start casting again. Once a big up to Real Rods R Us. Real Rods R Us JA. Get for order some leader, wire leader line from them the other day. Right, have my leader tie on back to my braid, unit to unit knot. See if I can find another mackerel or something. That was a nice mackerel a while ago, guys. Not even sure probably how heavy it was, but it did feel heavy. I was running a tight drag, and if you guys listen, you hear fish was pulling a good amount of drag, so I was running a tight, using a tight drag. I probably should use a lighter drag, but there are some boulders and rocks out here and I have to try and stop them before they get underneath it. As you see, when him did come close right there, so him try to go underneath the ledge, so have to use a tighter drag to get them up. Fish came right here and drop off, you know, guys, right in a shallow right here, so you know, I could have stepped off a stone and pretty much grab him with my hands and lift him out of the water, but I was waiting on a wave to come in. And so I could lift him over the rock. But that's how I go. He might live to tell the tales. We catch him on next time and him bigger. That was a nice pull though, man. Pull really hard. So I've used 3 new lures today, and all 3 of them got hookups. Alright. Jesus. Oh, come on, man. Oh, what the hell was that? I don't know what that was. Really don't. That was probably a big longjaw or a barra or something. Have no idea. He hit the lure hard too, man. The lure quite up. Look at that. Wow, he hit the lure hard. Right, these are the last couple casts that I'm gonna make. Feeling pretty tired right now, so make the last few casts, then I'll clean up the fish and head home. Have a good little drive to get home, and I'm just gonna cruise it home, not in a rush or anything, so just I'll take my time and go home. Blows. How bonita run out the so? Jaja. Wow. There's a school of bonita just before you get out to your boat a while ago. Alright guys, so yeah, pretty much this is our last cast. I'll pretty much sign off right now. Yeah, it was a very good day out. Enjoy myself. Yeah man, fully enjoy myself and have some fish to go home and put in my freezer. Yeah, that's it. See lure here we do most of the damage. Well, this I want to catch the mackerel pan we get right just right that's all today. I may have the hydro shot. Use worry to catch a jack. But yeah, overall today was a pretty nice day. Enjoy myself. So thanks to all of you for sticking around this long. Hope you guys enjoy the content. It's been a while since I've put out some videos, and it's been a while since I've fished this ledge. Long time since I came to this ledge. So hope you guys enjoyed it today. Enough love, enough respect to all of you. Every single one of you were always a support. Hey, I want to say big up to So What TV. Yeah man, he's been having some health issues, but yeah, big up yourself. So What? New look at lures, big up yourself. And yeah, big up to everybody who always support Hartman Adventures. This is a very beautiful area. Just do a 360 kind of thing. Look at that, look at the sunset. Yeah man, really nice area. I haven't been here in a long time. So yeah, found a nice current here this evening. Get some action. I caught a yellowtail snapper when the camera was off. Bring it up on the ledge, give him some slack and him drop off. Hook up something else out there, so just as we make a one cast, as we put on back there, new leader and cast the first time. Hook up something, him flash it, him shake it. But yeah, really enjoy it today. Big up on yourself. Catch you in the next adventure. You know, like a bonus clip. Always tell you guys about timing in fishing. Pretty sure quite a number of you always hear me talk about the different times when I like to go out. And if you look at this right now, you couldn't believe it's the same place that I was fishing this evening. Current is entirely gone right now. There's no current. So I started fishing it from around the other side where the current was just starting to push. I stopped fishing there because the sun came back out. Went to get some water, which was probably about 10 minutes took me to get the water. Came back, stopped at this point right here, and the timing of the current was just perfect. The current was just starting to push, and get quite a number of hits. Hook up the mackerel, him get away. But it was a good session. But that's a little bonus tip. The timing is always key. If you can catch the current at the right time, you'll find the fish that are feeding there more often than not. Hey, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Also, turn on your notifications so you can be one of the first to know every time something new is posted. Thanks for staying to the end. Enough love, respect.